daily practice for English.
Basic greetings and personal info.
What is your name?
My name is Romeo.
What is your name?
My name is Romeo.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Hi, Sophia. How are you?
I am fine, Levi.
Hi, Sophia. How are you?
I am fine, Levi.
Where are you now?
I am at home.
Where are you now?
I am at home.
What are you doing?
I am studying English.
What are you doing?
I am studying English.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ollie.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ollie. Feelings and states.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy today.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy today.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free now.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free now.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you sad?
No, I am not sad.
Are you sad?
No, I am not sad.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am thirsty.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am thirsty.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, I am sleepy.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, I am sleepy.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
Are you confused?
No, I am not confused.
Are you confused?
No, I am not confused.
Are you scared?
No, I am not scared.
Are you scared?
No, I am not scared.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Are you thankful?
Yes, I am thankful.
Are you thankful?
Yes, I am thankful.
Are you kind?
Yes, I am kind.
Are you kind?
Yes, I am kind.
Are you honest?
Yes, I am honest.
Are you honest?
Yes, I am honest.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am friendly.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am friendly.
Are you patient?
Yes, I am patient.
Are you patient?
Yes, I am patient.
Are you strong?
Yes, I am strong.
Are you strong?
Yes, I am strong.
Are you hopeful?
Yes, I am hopeful.
Are you hopeful?
Yes, I am hopeful.
Are you motivated?
Yes, I am motivated.
Are you motivated?
Yes, I am motivated.
Are you focused?
Yes, I am focused.
Are you focused?
Yes, I am focused.
Do you feel confident?
Yes, I feel confident.
Do you feel confident?
Yes, I feel confident.
Do you feel better?
Yes, I feel better.
Do you feel better?
Yes, I feel better.
Are you feeling good now?
Yes, I feel good.
Are you feeling good now?
Yes, I feel good.
Are you feeling relaxed now?
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Are you feeling relaxed now?
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Do you feel proud of yourself?
Yes, I feel proud of myself.
Do you feel proud of yourself?
Yes, I feel proud of myself.
Do you feel improvement?
Yes, slowly.
Do you feel improvement?
Yes, slowly.
Do you feel tired now?
Yes, I'm happy.
Do you feel tired now?
Yes, I'm happy.
Are you satisfied today?
Yes, I am satisfied today.
Are you satisfied today?
Yes, I am satisfied today.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Are you free tomorrow?
A little.
Are you free tomorrow?
A little. Daily routine and habits.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:00.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:00.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, most days.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, most days.
What do you do in the morning?
I exercise and read.
What do you do in the morning?
I exercise and read.
Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruits and bread.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruits and bread.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I attend classes.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I attend classes.
Where do you go for a walk?
I go for a walk.
Where do you go for a walk?
I go for a walk.
Do you go outside in the evening?
Near my house.
Do you go outside in the evening?
Near my house.
Where do you go?
At 8.
Where do you go?
At 8.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat simple food.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat simple food.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Was your lunch tasty?
Yes, it was tasty.
Was your lunch tasty?
Yes, it was tasty.
Do you eat fruits daily?
Yes, I eat fruits.
Do you eat fruits daily?
Yes, I eat fruits.
Which fruit do you like?
I like apples.
Which fruit do you like?
I like apples.
Do you eat late at night?
No, I don't.
Do you eat late at night?
No, I don't.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10:30.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10:30.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Do you sleep late?
No, I do not sleep late.
Do you sleep late?
No, I do not sleep late.
Do you sleep early at night?
Yes, before 11.
Do you sleep early at night?
Yes, before 11.
How many hours do you sleep?
Around 7 hours.
How many hours do you sleep?
Around 7 hours.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you read?
Simple English sentences.
What do you read?
Simple English sentences.
Does reading help you sleep?
Yes, it calms me.
Does reading help you sleep?
Yes, it calms me.
Do you set an alarm?
Yes, I do.
Do you set an alarm?
Yes, I do.
Do you clean your room daily?
Yes, I clean my room.
Do you clean your room daily?
Yes, I clean my room.
Do you like a clean room?
Yes, it feels good.
Do you like a clean room?
Yes, it feels good.
What do you do after cleaning?
I take a rest.
What do you do after cleaning?
I take a rest.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help my parents.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help my parents.
What work do you help with?
Cleaning and small tasks.
What work do you help with?
Cleaning and small tasks.
Do you help in the kitchen?
Yes, a little.
Do you help in the kitchen?
Yes, a little.
Do you like helping?
Yes, it feels good.
Do you like helping?
Yes, it feels good.
Do you cook food?
Yes, I cook food.
Do you cook food?
Yes, I cook food.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, I walk every day.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, I walk every day.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking.
Do you like running?
Yes, I like running.
Do you like running?
Yes, I like running.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I take photos.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I take photos.
Are you happy with your routine?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you happy with your routine?
Yes, I am happy. Time, date and weather.
What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock.
What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock.
Is it morning?
Yes, it is morning.
Is it morning?
Yes, it is morning.
Is it evening?
Yes, it is evening.
Is it evening?
Yes, it is evening.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What is today's date?
Today is the 10th that it is.
What is today's date?
Today is the 10th that it is.
What season is it?
It is summer.
What season is it?
It is summer.
How is the weather?
The weather is good.
How is the weather?
The weather is good.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is hot.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is hot.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is cold.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is cold. Food and preferences.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables. Work, study and learning English.
Do you work?
Yes, I work.
Do you work?
Yes, I work.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Do you work hard?
Yes, I work hard.
Do you work hard?
Yes, I work hard.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
Do you study daily?
Yes, I study daily.
Do you study daily?
Yes, I study daily.
What are you doing right now?
I will study English.
What are you doing right now?
I will study English.
For how long will you study?
For 1 hour.
For how long will you study?
For 1 hour.
Do you study alone?
Yes, I study alone.
Do you study alone?
Yes, I study alone.
Do you make notes?
Yes, I make notes.
Do you make notes?
Yes, I make notes.
Do you read loudly?
Yes, to improve speaking.
Do you read loudly?
Yes, to improve speaking.
Do you take notes?
Yes, I take notes.
Do you take notes?
Yes, I take notes.
Do you revise your notes?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you revise your notes?
Yes, in the evening.
Are your classes online?
Yes, they are online.
Are your classes online?
Yes, they are online.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I like studying English.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I like studying English.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you want to learn more?
Yes, I want to learn more.
Do you want to learn more?
Yes, I want to learn more.